They say the best things are free. Gonna